Inampong, salamat. Inang Kakudapom, Ats Diary, Bunso, thank you so much. Gabriel Ben, mira esto come salido. Dice que device memory life about to reach the limit. It may cause the risk failure to reboot, to boot, to avoid accidental loss, back up your phone data to other devices as soon. Gabriel, ¿tú puedes mirar esta? I love your laugh. It really... Thank you so much, Teddy. You know, laughter is the best medicine. That is according to David Sheridan. No lo sé por qué dice que la memoria. ¿Qué? Pues míralo. I was writing to AFW, so decide to brave the David, don't make me laugh again.
Literalmente le quedan 4.
De la memoria,
Todavía le quedan 3 gigas de memoria. De espacio.
Pues no sé, nang ads from adding charts. I love your laugh, it's really... Thank you so much, Teddy.
Sí, literalmente le quedan 52 gigas libres.
¿Y por qué? Que tiene... Mira,
no sé, cuando te salga otra vez dile que no te vuelva, dile no me vuelvas a preguntar y ya está.
Ok. Anyway, I must go and check on my dogs. Don't laugh too hard. Your husband will get... No, he likes my laugh anyway. Because if I cry, it's it's worse. And you be sure when you laugh, David, your wife will close the ears. David Sheridan talking about dog. I have to take Teddy out too. Okay, Teddy, thank you so much. By the way, Teddy, what's your name? Not the name of the dog, of course. Live, laugh, love. Yes, that's the 3L. And then you put also another L, learn. Live, laugh, love, and learn. Thank you, David Sheridan from Teddy. Inang Kakudapon, thank you so much. Thank you, Teddy, for dropping by. Nalata, thank you so much, Nalata. Starting today, I will call you Nalata. Okay, Teddy? Thank you so much, Nalata. Inang Kakudapom, thank you so much. Nang Lots, hello. And once again, congratulations, Nalata, for reaching the 4K watch hour. I will visit again your channel later. I was only trying to twist your time. And you see? Marites ka talaga, David. You are legit Marites. I put there in my comment. You're welcome, Nalata. And give hugs to Teddy. Nang ads, mega love shout out from Nang Lots. 9 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Mag-iisang oras na pala tayo. Nosebleed talaga. Bye-bye. You are learning. You are learning Tagalog. You are learning Tagalog. Very good. Say hello to your wife, Carmen, David. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. Thank you, Teddy. Thank you, Nalata, for dropping. And thank you, David, for making me laugh again and making my nose bleed. And also for twisting my tongue. You're a very good friend. Adding Charles, hello. Nang Lots, mega love shoutout. Magyaw-yaw na lang muna